Friday. Ladies, I got some more free game for y'all. He is not liking that girl's Instagram picture for no reason. It was a calculated move. If he tells you he's going through a lot and he needs some time to figure things out, he met somebody else. If he hates his ex, he's probably in love with her. There's no such thing as a man that's not romantic. If he really valued you like that, you'd have the decorated hotel on February 14th. If his friends cheat, he is most likely a cheater. If he grew up without a positive male role model, be prepared to deal with some sass. If he has social media but claims he won't post you because he's private, that's cap. He's probably trying to protect somebody else's feelings. If he was really private, he wouldn't have social media at all. If he follows a bunch of women that don't follow him back, congrats, he with a clown. If him and his mama don't have a positive relationship, he's going to have some narcissistic traits. If one of his homeboys keep flirting with you, he probably knows that your man is cheating. If you catching him in little white lies, there's a big lie that he got past you. Yeah, what's another one? Oh, if he accuses you of cheating, he's cheating. If he brags about how many women he's finessed, played, manipulated, used, 9 times out of 10, he's DL. If he doesn't protect and provide for you while you're in a relationship, he's not going to start doing it once y'all get married. If he hits walls or throw things when y'all arguing, he will eventually put his hands on you. If his female friends don't like you, they probably fucked him. I could do this shit all day. It ain't the girl he following that you need to be worried about. It's the one that he got blocked. If he tries to control... Hey,